In this video, I'll talk about an exciting proposal for ECMAScript, which is the safe assignment operator. This new operator promises to simplify error handling in JavaScript. I will break it down so it's easy to understand and show you how it can make your code cleaner and more secure. So what exactly is the safe assignment operator? Well, this operator makes dealing with errors much easier. So instead of writing complicated error handling code, the operator allows us to capture both results and errors in a simple and consistent way. Here's how it works. When you use the safe assignment operator, the result of a function call is turned into a tuple, basically an array with two values. If the function succeeds, it returns null and result, and if it fails, it returns error and then null. It also works seamlessly with promises and async functions, as shown in this example. So why is this operator needed? Well, if you've ever written code that interacts with external APIs or does file handling, you know that errors can occur at any time. Unfortunately, it's easy to forget to handle those errors, leading to bugs or even security risks. Imagine this common scenario. Here's the problem in this scenario. Fetch might fail, the response.json could fail, or the parse function might throw an error. Handling each of these errors individually can be really messy. That's where the safe assignment operator comes in to simplify things. Let's look at an example of how you can rewrite the getData function using safe assignment operator to handle errors in a cleaner way. As you can see, it's much more organized. You handle errors right when they happen without a bunch of nested try-catch blocks. And that's where you might be wondering, why not just use try-catch? Well, while try-catch is useful, it can make your code hard to follow, especially when you need to catch errors at multiple points. Here's a typical example with try-catch. Now compare that with the safe assignment operator. Cool, right? It's just so much more concise and easier to read. Now the safe assignment operator also introduces something new called symbol.result. This special method allows any object to return an error and a result in the same tuple format. So if you have custom objects or functions, they can also implement error handling using this method. Check out this example. This way, any object can use this new error handling mechanism. Now lastly, what about combining safe assignment operator with promises? Well, good news. The safe assignment operator works perfectly with async functions and promises. You can combine await and safe assignment operator without any issues. This helps reduce a lot of repetitive error handling code. For example, here, if the promise throws an error, it's automatically assigned to the error variable. No need for a separate .catch block. So that's the safe assignment operator in a nutshell. It simplifies error handling, makes your code more readable, and works consistently across promises and other APIs. If you're tired of writing try-catch blocks or dealing with unhandled errors, this proposal could be a game changer. Remember, this proposal is still under development and contributions are welcome. So that's all for the video. If you found it insightful, drop a like and subscribe for more.